Okay, so if you wish to join uh, any gaming industry, it's quite easy for you. You can join. If you want to go,
Oh,
if you want to go any kind of animation industry, you can go ahead.
okay.
Okay, and so you can start drawing with me, isn't it? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so every drawing I start from the circle, either oval. So this is my uh, technique. I always start any
Okay.
drawing from the circle or oval,
Okay.
either oval like this, because all drawings start from only these two, from circle and oval. Okay,
सापडला का?
so this is a basic form for any drawing in this world, either circle, either oval. It looks like an anda, right? Isn't it? So now what is happening? Okay. So I make this same shape. See, this is same shape, right? Like this here, and I make the same shape, the circle. Hello, are you hearing my voice? Hello,
Yes, sir.
you got my voice? Okay, fine. Now after that, okay, we are going to make it here.
Just wait, sir.
Come on.
Hmm.
So you can make this shapes. Okay, how to create when you creating any character, how to make it a proper shape. Okay, of. So we are using this. Okay, this oval shape, like this is oval shapes we are creating over here. And see, the all time I'm using this circle. When I'm using this here eyes, here I want to draw eyes. It's also shape oval like this. So a drawing, it's very easy. It's only oval and circle. Maximum drawing, 90% drawing, start to end, we are using oval and circle. If I using oval and circle, it's coming very nicely. So we can create like this. Okay,
Okay.
you understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good.
It's very hard actually.
Okay, no problem. I give time. Okay, so this is I share you what is happening here. This circle, this oval. Is oval is hard or difficult or easy? This oval drawing. Oval drawing is
Okay.
difficult or easy, beta?
Easy, easy.
Easy. And this circle drawing also difficult or easy? If you make circle this time.
Easy.
So I'm using only these things. See, I just draw first oval and then circle step 1. This is step 1. Step 2 क्या
Sir,
किया?
is it like this?
So beta. Yes. Perfect. Now I can do what I do. Then I just join this one, beta. See. So now you are joined this here, and then you can make it one line like this. Once just simple oval line like this, and
Okay.
then join this. Okay, like this.
Is it?
Like this. Yes, perfect. Little off you can do, little like this, beta. Little
Uh,
little oval like this, little oval.
okay.
Yeah, nicely do, beta.
Okay.
So now you're almost ready. Just you can add it here. is just add it. Like,
Okay.
okay, like add like,
Is it?
yeah. See, now it's perfect. You tell na, it is
Okay.
it hard? Is it hard or easy? Now?
Now it's easy.
Yes. Now after that, this is the circle shapes. So after
Okay.
that, what you're doing, you go to this circle. Those circle bigger than this open. See, this is small, this is bigger. The same. It is a small, this is bigger. Because we can create after that the big oval. This is circle, and in this circle you can create like this.
Wait.
Yes, beta.
Hmm. Is it?
Perfect. Then we can erase this circle.
Okay.
Whatever circle I do, this is a construction line. No, we are making for the drawing.
Yes,
It
yes,
is
yes.
not need for. It's not visible in any bird, but which is need very important to draw
Yes, yes.
this oval. Okay, so I can delete it.
Mm,
And
wait.
now,
Everything you know is in your mind.
then do this here. So here I can make it one, here one, and here one. This is two wings. It's also like an oval kind of one, two, like leaf kind of this shape.
Okay.
Like this shape. Okay, one. So what I do here, I just create here. Okay, I just take. Make it feather kind of.
Mm,
Are you all my blessings?
Okay.
okay.
Start this.
Mm.
Okay.
Sir, how you drawn that eyes?
Yes, this is eyes to the eyes. If anywhere you facing any problem, you tell me. I show again and again. Don't worry. Okay, beta. And to see the eyes again, this is only oval, nothing else. I make it oval only. Okay, how to draw eyes? I can make it with my brush pen. It just looks more. Like this. Okay, beta.
Okay. Oh,
Everything you know is in your mind.
Make it little like this. While you need dark line, you can use this brush pen. Otherwise, we can create some little shadings with it. this part is little, this two part is little, I put little darker like this.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Make it little, this part little darker.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
Make it something design. Are you here? Are you hear my voice, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can make some settings, little bit of.
Mm. Can you repeat?
Yeah, you can make it little shadings like feather, okay, like this.
Okay, okay.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Sir, can you redraw that log?
Log, right, beta? Yeah. I show log over here. This is log like this.
I can't see, sir, because
You see mobile? You use mobile again?
yes,
rotate.
I'm using mobile.
No, rotate.
But my name icon is there now, so I
Okay.
can't see it properly. Your drawing.
Okay, now.
Just Ah, yes. Now I can see it.
Okay, beta. Don't worry. Like this, we are making some logs and okay. So you are belongs to Pune, right?
Yes, sir.
Pune also now weather is cool.
Yes.
Okay. I'm from Bangalore. This is the weather very
Are
cool,
you
nice.
all my personal
I
greens?
Yes.
I hear that Pune also that's same type of weather, right? Isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
Your school is open, beta, or still
Online.
online is going on? No? Hope you miss school or friends and all.
Uh, can you repeat?
Hope you miss your school's friends and school days. Last
Yes, sir.
1.5 years, no any school activities, right?
Yes, sir. But my teacher is taking physical activities, but mm,
Okay.
sir, can you take your page
Yes,
little
beta.
bit down?
Sure, beta. Now,
Yes, now it's clear.
Everything you know is in your mind.
just
Are
make
you
some
all my
shadings and
personal
textures
greens?
like this. Of course.
Sir, what you're drawing now?
No, you can do this one. I just make it. If you finish, then I can go ahead the next. Any animals, any birds, any human I want to show the same technique using the circle and oval only. So
Okay.
if you finish, you can show and then you can go ahead the next drawing. Don't worry, okay, beta. I just do. I give you time because you are take time to. You can do this good drawing, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's why I not tell Harry, do it fast. I know that you need time, you can take time, and between time I just practice.
Um,
Because the practice make a man perfect, Right, Vita?
yes.
Yes.
Can you see my drawing?
Yes, you are awesome. You are talented. I must say, you are so talented, Vita. Yeah, your drawing is so good. I like it. So this sound is actually I recognize whose what sound it is. This is sound coming from here only, right?
Are you all right? Everything you know is in your mind.
In your family, who is good in drawing? Your mama, papa, any families?
No one.
How you are doing very nice drawing? You must someone is good in drawing. Either mama's family,
Actually,
either father family.
actually, sir, what happened? I was showing YouTube, so I saw that Farzan Academy is drawing. They were looking so attractive and interesting. So
Mm-hmm.
I also get means interested and
Mm-hmm.
attracted
Okay.
by that drawing. So I started
Are
the
you
drawing,
all
and
my personal
I can't imagine, but really I have drawn very
Okay.
nice drawing, and I have posted that drawing on
Okay.
social medias also.
Okay. Like a
But
Facebook, WhatsApp, right? Okay. Then.
but now only I have started posting, so there are not means so much response. There are very little response. I
Okay.
hope so that I will get much response, but
Okay. So you can feel that if you make it more drawing, you can get more response, right? Hello.
yes, but
Namaskar. Okay.
I'm not having
Yeah,
time for
Atpara. Yeah.
drawing because my daily lectures are there, my submission
Sorry,
is there,
speak Hindi and
so
English.
I am not getting much time. But I'm trying
Yeah,
drawing
English, English, please. Yeah.
in the remaining times.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I have to draw that drawing also, na? That you're drawing that.
Yes. Yes, beta. So yeah.
I
So
have to draw na that drawings.
yeah. Actually, I take the class also. That's why. Just 1 second. Yes, beta. You can draw that. You can draw, beta. Okay.
Okay. Just take your page to left hand side so that I can see.
Okay. 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 Now it's okay, beta. Yeah.
Move it to left hand side
Your kids. Who is want to draw? You or your family? Your
because
kids?
I can't see because of my that icon
No, no.
and
I
it's
keep
not
talk to
shifting
you.
to.
Who want to draw? Actually, is your. Okay. How old are you now? 20. Okay. So what is the reason for join art school for learn art or
everything you
something?
know is in your mind.
Oh, okay.
Sir, can you draw again that down one?
Okay. Yeah, sure. Sure, sure, sure. So what you doing now is you are doing job or students? What you doing? Okay. What kind of job you are doing? Okay, product designer. Yeah, right, fine. So my yeah,
Are you all my
yeah,
personal
I
belongings?
understood that. Yeah, myself Tapan Roy. I'm working in Disney by Zoo. Myself Tapan Roy. I'm working in Disney by Zoo as a senior concept artist.
Mm,
Yeah. I hear a voice. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I tell you, myself is Tapan Roy. I'm working in Disney by Zoo as a senior concept artist. Uh, Now is break. Yeah, myself Tapan Roy, I'm working Disney by Zoo as a senior concept artist. Okay, so I take only now online class. The offline studio is in my Indiranagar studio. Okay, where do you get my number? Wh- Yeah, why? No, okay, that's fine. There's lots of callers coming. I tell that what you searching in Google? Art teacher near me or something. What you search? Okay.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Yeah, I can speak. Yeah. So how you know my names? Your what?
Everything you know is
Uh
in your
huh.
mind.
Uh huh. Yeah, this is fine. What you searching? Is a art teacher or art teacher near me like that? You searching? What you searching when you are going to Google and searching art teacher, right? Like this, art school, and then what you got? How to got my name? Okay. Okay. What list? What list it is in Urban Pro or Art Ankara Art School? What you get it?
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I just want to understand where you get that number. So okay, fine. So where you staying? Kalyan Nagar. Is it nearby Indanagar? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sir, is it perfect?
Okay, you must welcome on class. Okay, tomorrow. Yes, fine, beta. Just 1 second. Yes, beta is fine. You can go ahead. We can go any animals. Okay, after that, it's fine. That's very nice. Just 1 second. I take this someone online class. Yeah, actually, I have taken some Singapore and US classes now online, so that's why, as well, I talk to you also. Okay. Anyway, so I take the online class. So you are prefer online or offline? The same cost is offline online, but offline is now is for the pandemic. We are more prefer the offline online classes. When the pandemic is over, you can come and you can come my studio, not issue, but still it is for the painting. If you want to know, this is the 1,500 for month. Yeah, per month. If you got the 4 classes, and per class 2 hours.